How to export notes as PDF on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily export notes as PDF. So let's dive right in. Open up a Notes app and then open up the note. Now you can see share icon in the top right. Go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on print and you can see the share icon again. Just tap on it. Now you just need to tap on save to files and then choose a folder where you want to save it. Hit save and then that's it. Now if you go and check your files app, you'll be able to see that it has been saved in PDF format. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.